Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hafizuddin bin Mattani from Polytechnic Ungku Omar. Today, I would like to present about pattern recognition for manufacturing process variation using assembled artificial neural network.
Statistical process control, one of the most effective tools of total quality management, which is used to monitor process variation and improve the quality of production. Pattern recognition in SPC is a control chart pattern recognizer is to recognize any abnormal function by monitoring the behavior of the system under production. Artificial neural network is a relatively basic electronic model based on the neural structure of the brain. Artificial neural network recognize pattern directly through a typical sample pattern during a training phase. There is a motor in the hard disk drive in order to control the rotation of disks. The mounting of the motor ID1 and ID2 are defined as a critical characteristic that require Biorate Quality Control (BQC) by using the artificial neural network. However, the existing ANN schemes were mainly utilize single isolated ANN model with raw data input representation. Hence, in this project, a combined ANN model, which is called an ensemble ANN, will be investigated for improving the quality control capability. The proposed model involves utilization of raw data and statistical features input representation technique. The objective of this project is to design and assemble artificial neural network scheme for pattern recognition of Biorate process pattern classification. To validate the pattern recognition accuracy performance of the scheme. The scope of this project is Biorate process variables are dependent to each other based on linear cross-correlation. Two cases are conducted which are loading error and offsetting tool. Predictable Biorate process patterns are limited to sudden shift, which is upward shift. Magnitude of mean shift in the source variable are limited within plus minus 3 standard deviation based on controllability of Shanghai control chart. Disturbance from assignable causes on the part variables, variables 1 only, variable 2 only, or both variables was a major source of process variation. This occurrence of assignable cause over x1 and x2 could be identified by various causable patterns. Two variables are being monitored jointly. It can be represent 24 observation samples for process variables 1 and proof variables 2 respectively. When a process in the state of statistically in control, samples from both variables can be assumed as identically and independently distributed with zero mean and unity standard deviation. Scatter diagram can be used to indicate the distribution of samples in Biorate process. Biorate samples can be in low correlation, moderate correlation, or high correlation. The input representation is a technique to represent input signal and provide a strong influences on the performance of ANN towards achieving effective recognition. Raw data and statistical features input representation were applied into training of ensemble artificial neural network recognizer for improving pattern discrimination capability. Raw data-based input representation contain 24 consecutive standardized samples for variables 1 and variable 2. Each pattern were represented by 48 input data, where variable 1 and variable 2 were denoted as P1 and P2 respectively. Feature-based input representation consisted of less value of exponentially weight moving average with multiplication of mean with standard deviation and multiplication of mean with mean square value. Each Biorate pattern was represented by 14 data. Synergistic artificial neural network recognizer is a parallel combination between raw data-based artificial neural network and feature-based artificial neural network recognizer. Framework of ensemble artificial neural network scheme. Finite number of artificial neural networks that are trained for the identical purpose whose prediction are combined to generate a unique output. offer a number of advantages over a single artificial neural network in that they have the potential for improved generalization and increased stability, generating individual artificial neural networks and combining individual prediction. It also combines the traditional SPC chat with an artificial neural network model. Traditional SPC chat role for monitoring the existence of unnatural variation in Barrett process, whereas an artificial neural network model rules for diagnosing the source of variation. In order to achieve the best training result for overall pattern categories, the amount of the training pattern was set as follows. Bivariate normal patterns equal 1500 times total combination of data correlation. 2. Bivariate shift pattern equal 100 times total combination of mean shift times total combination of data correlation. Many process and quality characteristics which are affected by a variable or more which need to be diagnosed simultaneously. This condition called multivariate quality control (MQC) or bivariate quality control (BQC). Bivariate process variation can be found in turning to size operation due to loading error and offsetting cutting tool. Two variables have been analyzed in this research, which are positioning of workpiece and consistency of cutting tool. For case loading error, it was detected at sample 34 whereby this scheme was able to correctly recognize bivariate process data stream as upshift patterns starting from sample 34 at window range 11 to 34. The second case study involved offsetting of cutting tool. Similar as the first case study, the mean and standard deviation of bivariate in control process were computed based on the first 24 observation samples. Offsetting tool was detected between sample 11 to 50. The performance of ensemble artificial neural network scheme were evaluated based on the recognition accuracy, out of control process and average run length. This trend supports the conclusion that process mean shift with smaller magnitude were more difficult to detect. Specifically, the ensemble artificial neural network scheme indicate rapid detection capability for moderate shift and large shift respectively. In comparison with average run length of raw database artificial neural network study by Masoud 2012, detection capability as shown by assembled artificial neural network was faster for shift 1.0, 1.5, and 2.0. It can be concluded that it has resulted in non-false alarm, rapid shift detection, and accurate diagnosis capability. In diagnosis aspect, the scheme also effective in correctly identifying the source of the mean shift when process become out of control. Based on the promising result, the assembled artificial neural network scheme could be a reference in realizing balance monitoring and accurate diagnosis of bivariate process pattern.